Hello friends, welcome back to my channel IT Parivar. So guys, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can enable protect accidental deletion, or if you are trying to delete any Active Directory user, computer or group or OU from the Active Directory, and if you are getting you do not have sufficient privileges error. So I'll show you how you can delete any object if you are getting any such error. Okay, and I'll also show you how you can enable that accidental delete protection option in Active Directory. Okay, so let me jump on my domain controller. Before going ahead, I want to request you, if you are a new user for my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I'll upload the new videos you will get the notification. So this is my domain controller and I'm going to open here Active Directory users and computers. Okay, I have one user here. I have created one user for the testing purpose, and I am trying to delete this. Just clicking on yes, you can see I am getting error, you do not have sufficient privileges to delete test, or the subject is protected from accidental deletion. Okay, so in same way, if you are getting error, how you can fix that? Okay, so you have to first go to the properties of the object. If you are going to delete any user or group, or if you want to delete OU also, so you have to go to the OU. Okay, then first let me show you for the user. So you have to go to the properties, and here you have to go to the object option. For now object option is not visible here, so for that you have to click on view option and select advanced feature. Okay, once you select advanced feature, again you have to go to the user, or if you want you can find that user to whom you want to delete, or any OU groups. Go to the properties, then go to object option. You can see now object option is visible. Okay, so you'll go here. Once you will go to the object OU, you can see here this option is enabled, protect object from accidental deletion. So from here you can enable this option to protect from the deletion, or if you are trying to delete any object and this option is enabled, and if you are getting option like you do not have sufficient privilege and this object is protected from accidental deletion, so just you have to uncheck this option, apply and say okay. Let's try to delete this again. Delete. Yes, so you can see I have deleted this user successfully. Okay, so in this way you can enable protect AD object accidental deletion option, or you can disable it. And if you are getting that you do not have sufficient privilege error, you can disable and delete the object in this way. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you. So I'll again request you to please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thanks for watching IT Parivar. Bye bye.